Hello, everybody. I am teacher Avril, and this is lesson 141 for P6 IP English. Today, other teachers and me are in the school to prepare for Monday, because Monday we will be back in school. Today, we can learn with this video. Let's start. Yesterday, we talked about the letter G. Do you remember which sound the letter G can make? Let's read them together. The first sound is the sound G, G, G. Can you say G? Okay. The second sound is the sound J, J. Can you say J? Good. To know which sound the letter makes, we need to look at the letter before or the letter after G. To know which sound G makes, do we need to look before G or after G? After G. We need to look at the letter after G. Okay, so if the letter after G is not E, not I, or not Y, what sound does the letter G make? Does it make the sound J or the sound G? Which one? G or J? G or J? It makes the sound G, like in gold. Now, if the letter after G is E, I, or Y, what sound does the letter G make? Does it make the sound G or does it make the sound J? G or J? It makes the sound J, like in giraffe, like in giraffe. Okay. But now, let's read this word. Can you read this word? Good. It's pronounced girl. What is the letter after G in girl? It's the letter I, like this one. So normally, what sound should the letter G make? Should it make the letter like the sound G or the sound J? If I is the next letter, should it make the sound G or the sound J? It should make the sound J. Now listen to the word again. Girl, girl. Do you hear the sound J or the sound G in girl? Girl, girl. We hear the sound G because with G, there are many special words that do not follow the rule. They don't follow the rule, okay? So when we use the letter G, we have to be careful because it doesn't always work. Sometimes there are special words. That's what we're going to work about today. First, let's practice reading words with a game. To play this game, first, look at the picture and then find the letter G. It should be bigger and blacker than the other letters. It's here. So, is there a letter after G? No. So, when there is no letter, do we pronounce j, g, sorry, g or j? We didn't say it in the rule, so we don't know, but we know this word. Do you remember this word? Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. Log on. Log on. What sound does G make in log on? Is it G or J? Log, log. It's the sound G. It's the sound G. Okay. So when there is no letter after G, when there is no letter after G, then G makes the sound G. G. Log on. Let's check. It makes the sound G when G is at the end. Okay, good job. Now, what about this G? What is the letter after G? It's the letter E. So when the letter E is after G, what sound does G makes? G or J? When E is after G, G makes the sound J. Let's check. Sound J because G plus E. Good job. How about this one? What is the letter after G? The letter after G is L. So what sound should G make? J or G? G, because this is not E, not I, not Y. So it makes the sound G. G plus a consonant is G. How about this word? Look at the next letter. Is that E, I, or Y? No. Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant. So G plus consonant, do we say G or J? We say G. We say the sound G. Let's check. G plus consonant is G, G. Good job. Okay, how about this G? When G is at the end, do we say G or J? When G is at the end, do we say G or J? We say G, morning, morning. Okay, let's see, G. G, because G is at the end. How about this word? What is the next letter? The next letter is I. So how should we read the letter G? J, J. When I is after G, we should read J. But wait, do you know this word? Let's read it together. 3, 2, 1. Give, give. So we don't say J, we say G. Is this a special word? Yes or no? Yes, it is a special word. When the word is special, I put this man as a photo because it's a special word. We just have to learn it, okay? There is no rule, just learn. So give sound g, g. Okay. What about this one? What is the next letter? The next letter is I. So g or j? J. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Giraffe, giraffe, with the sound j. G plus I makes the sound j. Good job. Let's do a few more, and then I will show you a special game. Okay, what is the next letter here after G? It's the letter E. So what sound should we use? G or J? We should say J. But do you know this word? Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. Get, get. Listen to my voice. Get. Is this the sound G or J? Get, get. It's the sound G. So is get a special word? Yes or no? Is get a special word? Yes or no? Yes, it's a special word. We just have to know it. We just have to learn. How about this word? What is the next letter? The next letter is E. So should we say G or J? J. Let's say this word. 3, 2, 1. General, general, general. Do you hear G or J? General, general. We hear J, 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 general. J, general. Good. So J because E is the next letter. J because G plus E. J. One last one. Look at the next letter here. What is it? E. How do we say G when the next letter is E? Do we say G or J? We say J. Let's try to say this word. 3, 2, 1. Page. Page. Listen to my voice. Page. Is this G or J? Page. It's J. Okay. So this one, we can say J because the next letter is E. J because the next letter is E. Good job, everybody. That's enough for now. Let's talk about our test activity. Our next activity is a quiz. That is a game and a test. Let's have a look. First, we will play the game together to make sure we know how to play. Then you can find the link online. Teacher Sin will send you the link online. Okay? First, play with me. Then click on the link and play on your own. First, let's read the question. Which pair means two together. A pair. Which pair of words has different sounds for the letter G? Which pair of words, which two words has different, not the same, different. It's not the same. Square and circle, different, not the same. Has different sound for the letter G. Let's do number one. Here, what is the next letter? The next letter is R. So when the next letter is a consonant, do we say J or G? J or G? We say G. Can you read this word? Program. Program. With the sound G. G. How about this one? What is the next letter? The next letter is E. So with E after G, do we say G or J? J. Let's say it together. Gem. Gem. Okay. So here we have G and here we have J. Is this the same or different? Is this the same or different? Different. These are different sounds. Do we want different sounds or do we want same sounds? We want different sounds. So should I click here? Yes or no? Yes. Let's see. Good job. Okay. So when you play, read the question very carefully. Read the question very carefully, okay? In the On-It test, questions are very long and they are very, very special. They want you to say one thing and not the rest, okay? So read carefully. Take your time, okay? Take your time. Let's do one more and then you can play. Which word, read with me, which word starts with the same sound as girl? Here, do we want the same sound or a different sound as girl? We want the same sound. So what is the sound in girl? Is it G or J? G or J in girl? It's the sound G, G. So we want the sound G. And where do we want the sound G? Do we want it at the start or at the end of the word? We want it at the start of the word. We want it at the start of the word. So here, let's read this word. Morning. Look at the G at the end. Is this G or J? G, morning, morning. Look at this G. There's an E after. So do we say G or J? We say J, J. Okay, so do we want the sound J? No. We want the sound G. We have the sound G in morning. Should I click on morning? Where is the sound G in morning? Is it at the end or at the start? It's at the end. And where do I want the sound G? I want it at the start. So it's not morning. Let's check letter A. The next letter is A. So how do I pronounce G? G, sorry. I pronounced it g, g. Is it at the beginning or the end? At the beginning. So should I click on A? Yes. Okay, good job. If you think this is hard, it's okay. Just take your time. And if you need your book, you can use your book to help you answer, okay? This is practice. If you play the game, I will give you special points. If you have a good score, I will give you even more points, okay? Now, look in line and find the message from Teacher Sin. Click on the link and play the game. I will grade your results this weekend and we can talk about it on Monday, okay? I will see you on Monday, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.